I'm just here. Don't mind me. I'm just here. What'd you say?
It might be a 55 or 56 Bel Air.
Yeah.
And it's going to give us 454 cubic inch block. Not bad.
Oh, you're good.
Oh, this is very good.
What?
68? Damn.
Look at the wheels on the back though. Look at the meats.
I love the T-tops.
Yo, Keon would be going friggin' crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. What you gonna do? She's just walking around. I'm about to take a picture.
Morgan.
You didn't see this at first?
I've seen it, but I've never seen one in person.
You said what?
Morgan.
Check this out. Yo, we're gonna go back to the old school.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, talking to herself who has the free food. Who does these things? Nothing? Nothing to say?
Well, I do got one thing to say.
What? Oh! See that, YouTube? You think it's funny? Bad Alex. Bad A-Rob. How the fuck? Why does he keep fucking looking at me? This dude's a fucking weird motherfucker. Like every time I moved over here, then I moved over there, and he still just fucking started staring at me. Now that I'm recording him, he stopped. Okay, Alex fucking cares. Do you?
Business.
What'd you say?
I said I'm just minding my own business.
He's just minding his business. I just want to knock that shit out of his hand.
Hey.
Ha! I'll knock this. No, he doesn't like when I do these things. I see his facial expressions, but he think I know. Mr. Salmon, bring me your dream. Is that how it goes? I said, it's like never seen one like up close and personal. I mean, I've seen them, but I just never like really looked at them. Like they're actually pretty freaking nice. Oh yeah, I got one. You know, back in my day, this car was awesome. This used to be a great car. I used to drive this car. I These youngsters don't know anything about this. Oh, used to bring the chicks back here too. Used to get it on. Oh, used to put them on a dash. I'm sorry. I thought it was gonna be really loud too. That sounds good, yeah. That view was so nice. It was so. Yeah. Say nah. Yo, hopefully the audio's okay because I know I've been having some issues with this mic. Yeah, I know I've been having some issues with this mic, so I need to get a new one, but no money. So I may have to use the onboard mic because this thing don't want to work. Damn, I wish Rex could have went, bro. He probably would have loved it there. Peace. Stay humble. Stay driven. Fuck cancer. And I'm out.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.